What's going on, guys? Investment Coach Chris here, and the reason I'm starting this video is because I wanted to show a position that I was talking about earlier between Nbev, which we had a great position in, and now if you see right here at the chart, I'm in this position for $6.70, and now it's shooting up above 7. So one thing I wanted to do was between two accounts, I think I have like about 10 grand in this position, so that's really good. So I just want to show y'all, Nbev had some news. We went over it in my previous video, but I wanted to just watch this stock and see if it would take off, and see if I could kind of give you some guys advice on how to hold the Nbev stock, or just to show you in general. We had a pre-market rush up, and now it came back down. I'm pretty much just looking at two stocks right now. I'm looking at Nbev, and I'm looking at SQ. So Nbev, with this account, I'm in at 670, and it's currently over 7, and we look like we might have the potential to keep going on a run. And for SQ, I'm in for 74.39, so I'm up about $259 on this position as it's climbing, and I think it's climbing because we're kind of making the end of the day. So if you look at my previous video, which was learn how to do Thinkorswim part 1, and had some different stuff in there, basically Nbev has a tendency to take these late night pops. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to see if it's going to ride back up, and then we have to decide if we're going to sell our position or hold our position into it. It's currently 353. This is the end of the market. I guess you could just call this the end of the market wrap up. So yeah, we're up about, for this account, we're up about $248 for the day. Let's see if I can, now it's back on. Alright, cool. Alright, so for this account, we're up about, cool guys, for this account, we're up right here. Sorry, I'm having technical issues. About 240 bucks, with it growing as we speak, which is a good position. If you see here, Nbev on the 5-day, 5-minute chart, looks like we're starting another green candle. Now if you look right here, this is a very important position right here, so it's like, do we want to hold it or we want to let it go? Because it's clear that we have had some resistance right here around this mark right here, right around the 710 mark. So if we get up towards 7 again, and we push up towards that 710 mark, that would be great. As far as SQ goes, I look at it on the 20-day 1-hour chart. It's just going up and up and up and up, and it's almost to the point where it might be a little oversold, and it might be time to take in some profit. I mean, that's kind of what it looks like, but keep in mind too, in a 180-day 4-hour chart, SQ's got a lot of room to keep growing. We've got a lot of room to keep growing up through here. So that being said, let's see the other positions. I don't know what my other account is. So this one's up $219 as well. So this account's up about $220. It's a separate account. So between the two accounts, both well over both over 200. So well over 400, close to 450 for the profit for the day, which is good. You know, in this position, Nbev and SQ. SQ is one of our leaders. Nbev, for this account, I'm in at 625, so I'm already up $85, which is, it's actually kind of sad because I was up a lot more pre-market this morning, but I did not sell. With SQ taking off the way it is, it's very possible. These stocks don't, SQ and Nbev, it's kind of weird. They don't tend to, it feels like they move opposite, but they're kind of moving together, but just in a weird way. They like go back and forth, but together they rise at the same time. It's kind of weird. But I'm hoping they both just keep going up. And with Nbev at $7 right now, it's kind of hard just to say, oh, we're just going to take profit. I might actually hold these positions overnight, and I know tomorrow's starting off pre-market. You know, we'll see what happens. If there's a big drop off, yeah. But tomorrow's October 17th, and I'm pretty sure the day that Canada legalizes recreational marijuana, there might be a hot stock day that precedes that, because a lot of investors know that. Yeah, the bell is going to close in 3 minutes, and then it's aftermarket. But SQ's, you know, it's acting like a champ. You know, we still have a lot of room to grow. You know, I don't want it to go back down, but I do expect that, you know, a stock's not just going to go up forever. But with the holiday season and retail coming, I mean, we have a lot of room to get another. We have a lot of room here in SQ. I mean, the high's been 101. This stock's been killing it. You know, I think it's worth a good hold personally. You know, look, it just shot up again. You know, as we were talking, it just shot up. Another little point there. So these two stocks are really good holders, the Nbev and the SQ. We'll hold through the next couple minutes, and we'll see what happens towards the end of the market. Hopefully, see this doji is kind of weak right here on the Nbev. You know, my SQ is doing so well. I'm just seeing if Nbev will take a last minute pop, because it's got a potential to go up to, you know, well over $7. It's really, if it gets close to that 710 mark as it's going up, it could really just, it could blow up again and pull up another 20-30% very easily. It's got it listed at 698 currently. Looks like it might be waking its way back down. That's what I'm saying. It keeps fighting and it keeps. Well, that's the bell. So that's the bell, and then we're going to see post-market moving, and this is when weird stuff happens. But because it's not really weird stuff, it's just the volume changes a lot. But I'm telling you, I mean, Nbev, you know, we're down 5% today. We're down 5% in a stock that we're overall up 11%, and it still shows signs of an ascending pattern. So, you know, it may not be a bad thing to hold it. I mean, I am in post-market, and I could place a buy post-market, but let's see, 699 SQ. Oh. See, it says Dow surges more than, we have a news alert, Dow surges more than 500. Best day since March as earnings fuel rally. So we got positive news. I mean, when there's positive news and your stocks are doing good, after a couple days of red, that's not bad. And, you know, not only that, but that being said, now I'm going to over here. Yeah, I think we're just going to hold the positions for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this last minute video. This is just recapping what it's like towards the end of the day. Hope these stocks help you guys out. Check out the Patreon. Check out the links in the description box. You guys rock.